The reality of the situation is not everyone has equal access. For some, it is because of their religious affiliation, sexual orientation, gender identity, educational background, or disabilities. Some examples of social services are institutions that provide food assistance, shelter assistance, education assistance, disability assistance, amongst other services. It is critical that these services are LGBT-friendly, so persons are not hesitant in accessing them due to fear of neglect or discrimination. Social services are important as they create more effective organizations, build stronger communities, promote equality and opportunity. Persons within the community deserve the same access to these services as the rest of us enjoy. After all, aren't we all humans?